Yeah. Alright. Alright, so what's going on, everybody? This is Podcast 101, Business Production Suites. Obviously, I'm here with the beautiful women, Lil Bre. Say what's up.
Hi, I'm Lil B.
And this is an organic podcast talk about one-on-one interviewing. What we're talking about is like building your production suite and what it costs and factors of, from my experience starting out. So microphone is key to everything. Having that microphone, having a good microphone is called a condenser microphone. What's a condenser microphone?
A microphone.
Obviously. A microphone. So a microphone, right? A microphone that does what? It inputs the sound, right?
Right.
So right now we're not on a condenser microphone.
No.
We're on a camera. So therefore a reproduction suite has to have a what? Condenser microphone.
A microphone. Not just a camera. A microphone and a camera.
That's right. Without the camera part, unless you want to digitally upload it, right? 1, 2, 3. Price matters. Okay, condenser microphones range from $70 to $10,000. Sony A and G, Sony G, the microphone is $10,000. That's the most expensive microphone you can buy. You could make a production suite sound like a $10,000 microphone with an $80 microphone. You have to know what you're doing. Why is it expensive? Because music business is your craft. You're crafting your knowledge. Speak on fashion for a second.
Yeah, you are crafting on your knowledge, meaning it's your own design. Like, you could design it anyway. On, like, however you hold the microphone.
Let's talk about the producer knowledge that you have. You start out with GarageBand. The first thing you're going to need to know, how to set input 1, output 1. I'm not going to get into the specifications, all of that, but learn. Watch YouTube videos. If you want to learn, what should they do? Ask me questions and hit me up.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a free thing, but you're obviously watching my YouTube channel, so therefore you're going to get knowledge.
Yeah, and just know that, like, it's not gonna be some charged price for your, like, for us to help you, like, help you out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get an interface separately, maybe from the microphone. That's all you need: a computer, an interface, and a microphone. You don't need some, like, machine beat maker and everything like that.
Mm-mm.
You just need a computer. Everything is just done with computers today. Just keep it simple. It's 2024.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, don't overcomplicate it.
Yeah, exactly. So you know this shit. And film yourself.
Always.
And put yourself in.
And go
the
walk
spotlight.
in the mirror. Go talk to yourself in the mirror and act in the mirror.
And film yourself and put yourself.
Without the camera, with and without the camera. It's really helpful.
And what you're gonna do is do the same thing over and over again and learn from trial and error. You're gonna copy, paste, delete audio files constantly. They're gonna be in and out the trash bin. You're gonna feel like you're not recording right and your sound isn't right, and you're gonna be the worst.
Or you're too anxious, or you're too nervous, or you're not sounding yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get down on your plays, like, oh, this only has 10 plays in a month.
Or you're gonna listen to other people's bullshit opinions that don't fucking matter. What matters is yours and what you're putting out in the world. So.
Yeah. So, like, for instance, you don't have songs yet.
Yeah.
I do. And my scenario is this, like, do you remember yourself? Like, brand new, from the whips to the chains to the shoes, let the dice roll. I tell the truth how it goes. Master lock, I don't need a code. Penal codes, relying on hope. Standing set to the models in the centerfolds. Immensely anxious, how do I blame it? Finger pulled on the stainless. Ask Shakespeare. Going to the moon without Santa Claus. I need reindeer, currency that's made from the laser. So that's like, she has no idea. But like, me going after my dream, it doesn't matter who gets in my way or who
Brand new.
isn't in the way. It's who I meet along the way that I feel is committable to it. Because like, I'm not just a producer, I'm also an owner of my own label. And like, I'm always looking for other artists as well. Like, or dark. It doesn't matter. We're all born into this world, and we don't choose how to be born.
That's right. And like, it's better to lift each other up in this industry because not a lot of people are educated with the Logic, the Garage, and the fruits of the basic, microphone. Yeah.